welcome to another session with DIY Cuisine. I'm Mr. Malik and today I'm so excited to show you how to make fabulous and mouth-watering fish curry in under 10 minutes. For this recipe you don't need too many ingredients to look for, so let's get cracking and I'll show you how you can make the easy recipe in under 10 minutes. Just to let you know, you can get this recipe from my website diycuisine.com. Just click on the top right hand corner to get this recipe. Here I had soaked my fish into vinegar garlic mix water for a little while and then drained. What this actually does is remove the smell and observe the flavor of garlic and tanginess of vinegar. Now in a wok or kadahi, add oil, garlic and onion and saute them until they are light golden brown on medium to high heat for around 1 to 2 minutes. When you see they are done, now is the time to add the tomatoes and rest of the masalas like fennel seeds, chili flakes, salt and black pepper, curry powder, and let it cook for a little while. Finally add tamarind water and fish and let it cook lid on high heat. Meanwhile, keep stirring with intervals. When the sauce starts to thicken and oil floats on top, it means that curry is almost cooked. Now garnish with chopped coriander and ginger on top of it and let it cook for around 30 more seconds. There you have it, your tasty fish curry is ready. Now take it off the heat and add into a serving plate. Garnish with some more coriander and ginger and serve with naan bread or rice of your own choice. If you like this recipe, why not like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Google+, Twitter, Dailymotion, Instagram and Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.